So here we have the BMW 118i on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the right hand side we have the rev counter, and on the left hand side the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle at the bottom you can see the total miles for the car, which are 10,468. The information displayed above that can be changed using a button on the end of the indicator stalk. You can, for example, have a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. We back out to the steering wheel. We have speed limiter and cruise control available here, and then stereo and phone controls over on the right hand side. In the center you'll find the main screen for the car. So up on here, all of the movement that I am making on the screen, it's all being done using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial and the collection of buttons that surround it. So you can hit that button to go to the main menu. You can access various other things, either from here, as I say, or by using the dial. So for example, with the dial, if I want to enter satellite navigation, I press the dial down. I can rotate it round to look at the map, for example, and bring that up on the screen. From there, there's a full video showing how the sat-nav works on our website and on our YouTube channel. We can pair up our phone, and this is where you access your music and media. We have DAB, FM radio as well, CD player, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, USB input. You can go back to the home screen from there. Below that, we have the CD player, the main volume for the stereo, and then the climate control. So you can determine the direction of the air, the fan speed, and then the temperature. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain this temperature for you by taking control of the direction of the air and the fan speed. Any manual adjustment will take auto off again. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and then the same for the passenger side just here. We also have a 6-speed manual gearbox. This button here will change the driving setup of the car, so we can put it in Sport, Eco Pro. We can turn the traction control on and off as well from there. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.